The assembly tree is the first default pane in 3D Edit mode. It receives 3D CAD model data from their file type and displays the different effects, parts, and assemblies in an organized list. The assembly tree also holds the cutting planes and offset line data at the bottom of the pane here. How the assembly tree works is through this checkbox system. Next to every effect, part, or assembly data, you will find a checkbox. The checkbox stands for the visibility of the item on the 3D model itself. When you deselect it, the part loses its visibility. When you reselect it, it will reappear. The same checkbox mechanic is applied for offset lines and cutting planes as I demonstrated on the cutting plane video. At the top of the list, you also have a search bar where you can look up keywords in your assembly. There is also a button here on name that switches the order of the data in the assembly tree. Above that is a set of shortcut tools. Toggle assembly mode allows for assembly selection. So for example, when I select this twin sleeve here, it will be colored in orange, meaning it is selected as a part. However, when I turn assembly mode on, I can now select the same object as an assembly, indicated by the blue color. Next are 3 tools to organize the assembly tree list through expanding all parts, collapsing all assemblies, and collapsing lower level assemblies. You have quick access tools to the cutting planes and offset lines, as well as geometry and collaboration switches that allow you to enable and disable their selection like this.